gentlemen, this is Azan RS Auto. Today I want to program key to Highlander 2009 model. The customer has this customized flip key, and he wanted me to make another key with a remote head. Normally the remote that comes with this car is separate. So I generated the remote, and it's not programmed. I'm going to program both the key and the remote. You can watch the security light. You can see it on, it has gone off. So that's the key that was programmed. But meanwhile, this is not programmed to the system. See the security light still blinking with the ignition on. The security light is still blinking. So that is what I intend to do. The Toyota, and we'll go to USA, Highlander 2008 to 2009. This is a blade key. Yes. We're going to do animal scan. Okay, your 4-master key. So let me add, I don't know the maximum you can take. Set the master key to be learned. The master key is already inserted. Remove the key to be learned and insert another one. The off position. That's this. So we have inserted the second key. So wait. You can see the security light blinking. That's the second key. Has been inserted. Security light is still blinking. Stop blinking, and it succeeded. So let's try and start the car with this other key. The car started. This is Azan RS Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Facebook page. So next we will try and program the remote part of the key. So let's leave here. Okay, cancel. So let's look at the number of keys now. Let's rescan and see what we have. Should be 5 keys. You can see 5 keys. So let's go to program the remote learning. So turn on the ignition and make sure the driver door is open. Since I want to program the remote for this, I want to keep this here. Let me use this. Turn on the ignition. Put the driver's door. Just be program, learning succeed. So to actually do that it works. Lock, unlock, lock, unlock. This is Azan Arrest Auto, and you can also start the car. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.